So, if you don't know by now, America has a problem with infant mortality and maternal mortality among black women. And it's not getting better. The rates are different, but sometimes it's 4 times, 12 times. Black women are more likely to die than white women. And we're just not getting a equality. Basically, there's not birth equality, and it stems from race. But one thing that I can say, that there's so many reasons why. Of course, racism is one of the reasons. Stress, diet, access to health care, different things like that. But what I do want to stress is that it all starts with education and knowledge. So first of all, you have to know better to do better. And we can't change the way people feel about us. We can't make somebody unracist. We can't change the system. That's how the system was built. The medical system was created. This Western medical system was created by experimenting on black people, and that's the honest truth. So, um, midwives had actually been outlawed, and who replaced the black Southern midwives? The white males becoming gynecologists, getting into obstetrics. So, the number one thing that we can do is educate ourselves. Everybody may not be bold or even have the desire to birth at home unassisted the way I did, but you may want to get educated on your doctor's background. Look at their, do they have any malpractice lawsuits, reviews, ask around. Um, just really follow your intuition and have confidence. Don't be so intimidated when you go into those spaces where those badges and white coats are looking down on you and telling you what you will do and touching you without consent, doing things without consent. So be educated on your rights, on what you can do safely. Also, be educated and know what's good for your nutrition. I had a doctor to tell me that I was so anemic that I would need to write a will before my birth. So, of course, I didn't listen to that doctor. I changed doctors and eventually just said, you know what, I can just do it at home. And I just kept having so many bad experiences. I didn't want to deal with it. So I was comfortable enough to birth at home, but I was also able to, I didn't hemorrhage, I didn't have problems with anemia or anything like that. I fixed my problem. I learned, what I need to eat and things that I can do to help anemia to not be an issue for me. So it's about education. I have a lot of classes on my website. I also have classes for birth workers. You can go to craftswoman.com. I also have some books that I have written. The Dark Worn Redemption, A Holistic Guide to Womb Wellness for Black Women, is available on my website and Amazon.com. And I also have The Dark Worn Redemption 2. It's a holistic guide to a healthy pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum. And in those books, I have a lot of good information that can help you if you're trying to get pregnant, if you're already pregnant, or if you've just recently given birth.